Solve the system of equations using either substitution or elimination. State if there is no solution or infinite solutions. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get this second equation simplified so we know what's going on. So multiply the 3 in, we'll get 6x minus 12y equals 10. And I'm thinking this one seems easier to do by elimination. That's my preferred method. If you prefer substitution, you can go ahead and do it that way. But to do that way, I want both equations to be in the form ax plus by equals c. And so I'm going to minus 6y from both sides here. So we have it in that form. So this one now becomes 3x minus 6y equals 5. So I can see they're both in that form. And if you need to, even bring that equation out so you have room to kind of see what's going on. It might be easier to see, you know, the minus 6y over here. Okay, so I can see this is 3, this is 6. If I multiply this top one by negative 2, that's going to do the trick. I'll be the same but opposite. I'll have 6 and negative 6. So I'm going to multiply this negative 2 into all the terms. So I get negative 6 plus 12y, so it changes all the terms, equals negative 10. And we're probably starting to notice something kind of funny here. All these terms now are the same but opposite. So I'm going to have those cancel, I'm just left with 0 equals, and those cancel, 0. So 0 just equals 0. Well, when I have a true statement like this, this tells me this is infinite solutions. We might be thinking, oh, this is no solution, but no solution is if you had something like 3 equals 7, which is not true. Or if you had 0 equals 1, which is not true. So when a statement comes out not true, that's when it's no solution. But in the case of this one, since it was 0 equals 0, which is true, it's going to be infinitely many solutions.